The Lemon Drop Martini is a classic cocktail that is both tart and sweet. It's a refreshing and vibrant drink that's perfect for any occasion. You will need the following ingredients. 2 ounces vodka. Use a good quality vodka for the best taste. 1 ounce triple sec. Can use Cointreau or another orange liqueur as an alternative. 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is always best. 1 ounce simple syrup. Adjust sweetness to your preference. Optional sugar, for rimming the glass. Garnish lemon twist for a decorative touch. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, martini glass, strainer, jigger, mixing spoon. Here are the instructions. Prepare your martini glass by rimming the edge with a lemon wedge and dipping it into sugar. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add the vodka, triple sec, fresh lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake vigorously until the mixture is well chilled. Strain the cocktail into the prepared martini glass. Garnish with a lemon twist. The Lemon Drop Martini was allegedly created by Norman J. Hobday, the founder of Henry Africa's Bar in San Francisco, in the 1970s.